The sky is cracked, the clouds are torn. Whispers fall where hope was born. A drop of silver cuts the air. Broken rain, it's everywhere. Dancing shards across the street. Where glass echoes under feet. Broken rain, it falls, it breaks. It's a song the silence makes. Pieces falling one by one underneath a shattered sun. Pavement shines like fractured dreams, splitting light in jagged streams. I reach out but it slips away. Broken rain won't let me stay. Tell me why the storm won't heal. Tell me what this pain reveals. Every drop's a quiet scream. Broken rain steals every dream. Broken rain, it falls, it breaks. It's a song the silence makes. Pieces falling one by one underneath a shattered Broken rain, it falls, it breaks. It's a song the silence makes. Pieces falling one by one underneath a shattered sun.
The sky is cracked, the clouds are torn. Whispers fall where hope was born. A drop of silver cuts the air. Broken rain, it's everywhere. Dancing shards across the street. Wet glass echoes under feet. Broken rain, it falls, it breaks. It's a song the silence makes. Pieces falling one by one underneath the shattered sun. Pavement shines like fractured dreams, splitting light in jagged streams. I reach out but it slips away.